Oh, that's a nice one. Nah. Oh, he's nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, dude, he came out so easy. The hole in his mouth is huge. All right. You know. Oh. Got him. Is he still on? Yeah. No way.
All right, we can start using the net. Oh,
Nice one.
big.
Bring him to the side. Bring him to the side.
I can't tell because the cork starts putting back on him. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that's a big white trout.
Oh my god. Big. Oh my. Yo, put him next to the camera.
Big gulp, this shrimp. Oh man, you should fire fish.
Yeah. 14 inches. It's bigger than that speckled trout.
Yeah.
Fatter. At least we're hooking them this time.
That's the biggest one. This time they're actually eating it completely.
Yeah.
Last time they weren't even really. They were just like nibble it and then leave.
Oh my god. The sound that it
There's
just.
no way you're hooking a fish from that far. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Happened twice.
Horse flies.
Got him. Oh, he's big. Bring him to the side. Bring him to the side.
Oh, you're gonna leave.
Oh my god, the water.
Oh my god.
One little bite.
Come on.
Came off again.
Look at it. Look at it.
I can't. I'm getting bites.
Oh, I thought you had a fish on.
I did. Came off.
Oh, shoot, I had one really. Oh. Oh, yeah. They're closer in.
Oh, nice one. Nice one. Keeper. Yeah.
Oh, this is a trout. This is a trout.
Net.
Oh my gosh, this is a trout. Oh my gosh.
Holy. Pretty sure it's keeper.
Oh yeah. This one.
Yours is about the same. Yours looks bigger than mine. $16, $15, $14.
They gotta be 13, right?
Yep. Inch or two. Alright, gone. 15, 14, 13. You're good. That bird's.
Yeah. Dude, that has to hurt when you hit like that.
Oh, where they at, bro?
Oh my gosh, look in the middle. I like hitting the leaves head on. I think it's better doing it like this because you sneak up on the seagulls and you don't see it. Oh yeah, they're up here, they're up here. They're up here, they're
Got
up
one.
here.
Taking them down. This looks nice. White trout.
Oh, that's a big white trout. Just throw them in the middle. Throw them in the net. Yeah, little boy.
Dude, is he still on? What the hell is this?
Yeah, I'm gonna get him.
He's still on. Trout. Oh, he's nice. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh, hold it. I got a big fish. Okay. Has to be. Yep.
Yeah, top.
Oh, that's a big trout. That's a keeper.
Oh yeah. Oh, he swallowed it a little bit. All right, where's my pliers?
Everything's supposed to be full of water when we get back.
All right.
Bro, he's big. Oh, they're here. They're staying here.
Put him up to the camp.
Oh yeah, no. Popped it.
Yeah, I'm putting him up to